So I've just been in our little shed and I can hear little chicks making a noise. Now there are swallows flying in and out of that shed. So I'm going to go and have a little look and see what I can find. I think the way the birds construct the nests are absolutely incredible, and they've just done it on the beams here. There's an old nest here. That one's not being used, but this one is full of little chicks. So this is what those little chicks have hatched out of. So here's half an eggshell, still a feather inside there. So tiny. Isn't nature just incredible?